My name is Doug, Drone Command Live participant. I'm on day one currently. Reason I'm here, I'm 54 years old, and I find myself at this phase in my life just stuck, literally stuck in a horrible employment situation. And at 54 years old, I feel at this point in my life where I have the least options I've ever had. I basically feel like I'm at a point in life where I have no skills that I'm able to parlay into either another career, which at this point in my life, I don't want to. I don't want to start all over, zero vacation, on probation, the whole starting over thing. And again, I feel like I have no skills that I can parlay into another career or a business. That's my passion, and that's what gets me going is the thought of building a business. And then I saw this commercial, the Drone Boss. Who's that? Never even heard of the Drone Boss. But I listened to what he said, and man, it really struck a chord with me. I thought, here is a skill that I could learn even at my age. Not that I'm old, but I'm too old to be starting another career. But here is a skill that I can learn and cultivate, and then in turn parlay that into a lucrative business, a business that would sustain myself and my wife and our family. And like Damon said, maybe something, a legacy, something that I could then pass on. So that's why I'm here. And something that really struck me, again, this is only day one, but this thing is really a soup to nuts guide. It's all the nuts and bolts of building a business. We're not talking about going out and flying cool drones and all of that stuff. Sure, that stuff's going to be covered too. But for me personally, I needed somebody to take me by the hand and show me step by step by step, how do I build a profitable business? And I got to tell you, this is day one, and I've got more hope in my life than I've had in a very long time. Thank you, Damon. Thank you, Diego. Thank you to the whole Sky Eye Network team, Drone Command Live team. I'm so appreciative of you folks taking your time to put this thing together. Really, at the end of the day, it's given a guy like me hope again. So thank you, guys.